Hi everyone, welcome to Imy's Kitchen. Love croquettes? Try these potato croquettes in spiral form. Few ingredients are needed for this potato recipe. You need only 3 potatoes, boil them and peel them, and then mash them. After mashing the potatoes, add one by one the ingredients. Crack 1 egg, add 3 tablespoons of potato starch, 3 tablespoons of milk, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper or according to your taste, 2 tablespoons of grated parmesan cheese, finely chopped parsley, a little of salt according to taste. Then mix them together. Get a piping bag and fill it with the mixture. Now it's ready to fry the spiral croquettes. My pan is not big, so I tried to form a spiral, a big spiral, and only one can stay in the pan. And I tried also forming 2 spirals, but they are shorter this time. Now they're done. These are the spiraled potato croquettes. Try this recipe if you have kids. They will surely love these croquettes. This is a good snack. Young and old will also like it.